There's my wife. I like her smile. On today's episode of Matt Does Stuff, I've already started, and so I am continuing scraping the crap off of the ceiling because I don't know how you guys feel. I'll tell you right now, my feeling is that I don't like popcorn ceilings. And it's like, really the reason why I don't like it is because when you touch it, it gets dusty just everywhere. You know? I mean, like, I'm not gonna have to touch my ceiling that often, but when I do, I don't want it to fall on my face. But anyway, I'll show you what we did. So we got this little pump right here. Sorry. Okay, so we got this little pump right here. Maybe I can edit that out. That was weird. Okay, so we got this pump right here, and put water in it, spray it, and then walk over here, and as you can see, the skin comes right off. Look at that. Just instantaneous. Just from a little water. I don't have to sit here and just scrape at it all day. It just comes right off. Now that's how you get popcorn ceiling off. Oh, just be careful not to gouge this. You're not supposed to. That's what I heard from somebody. Don't gouge your ceiling. You want to keep the good part intact. Just get rid of the bad crap, bad stuff.